So I've got 5 pounds of frozen Trader Joe's chicken breast tenders. I got the air fryer my kids got me for Christmas. And I got less than 2 hours before the party. What am I gonna do? Yeah, I got this air fryer for Christmas, and I was really excited to find out how easy it was to work with it. There's lots of air fryer videos on YouTube, but just watch this one to get your feet wet, and then you can go delve into everybody else's exotic recipes. We're keeping it real simple here. I used to buy chicken wings and chicken tenders from other grocery stores, but I really like the Trader Joe's chicken brands because they just seem natural compared to the overly sized wings and chicken pieces you get. It seems like it's stuffed with hormones or water or something. But these come out nice, they cook easy. I like my chicken cooked thoroughly, and I can do that reliably with the Trader Joe's product. So I'm gonna quick thaw these chicken tenders in running water in this big bowl. Now, the one thing I don't like about chicken tenders is they have this big tendon running through them. Every single one of them does. And because this is a Super Bowl party, I want these chicken tenders to go farther. So I'm going to split them in half and cut that tendon out entirely. So that's what you see here. So I'm going to gather the appropriate amount of chicken tenders for the air fryer. Basically, it's a 4-quart air fryer. And you're just going to want to have a single layer of chicken on the bottom, so the diameter of this paper plate makes it easy to measure that amount and also prepare the chicken for the air fryer. So I'm going to give the chicken that's already in flight here in the air fryer a little shake. It's good to stir the contents of the air fryer about approximately every 5 minutes. I'm going to do a little cleanup here, and then let's demonstrate how to prepare the chicken for the air fryer. This is good stuff. So here comes the entirety of the recipe. First, we're going to entice the chicken to brown by spraying it lightly with some buttery Pam. And then my secret weapon, the Lawry's Chili Lime Seasoning. If you can find this stuff, grab it, because you're going to like it. So we make sure we sprinkle it liberally around on the chicken. And I'm actually going to take time, flip the chicken over, and season it again. When you get an air fryer, make sure to get these silicone tip tongs. You don't want metal tongs to scratch the non-stick surface inside the air fryer. I'm just shaking out some of the debris from the last batch and getting ready to drop the next batch here. So each completed batch goes on this foil lined tray, and I've got it in the oven set to warm. Here's another look at that Lawry's Chili Lime Seasoning. Make sure you get some. And yeah, the other ingredient. Now basically an air fryer is like a convection oven. It's moving the air around it. I'm cooking at 390, and this goes about anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes, depending on how much chicken you have in there. Food safety tips when working with raw meats, you don't want to leave it out too long. So I was in and out in under an hour, and I kept this stuff moving. Also, any surfaces that come in contact with raw meat should be cleaned thoroughly and then disinfected with bleach. So if you're looking for something a little sweet, a little spicy, with a bit of crispness to it, check out this Lawry's Chili Lime Seasoning and try my recipe out. It works great on chicken wings as well. And thank you very much. Shotoku Tech. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share. Thank you very much.